Hello class 6th, I am Ashok, your English teacher. Today I will discuss the second poem of the book Honeysuckle. The title of the poem is The Kite and it is written by Harry Venn. To read any genre of literature, there are certain objectives. So let's see what are the objectives which you have to accomplish while reading this poem. So these are the objectives. To make the students enjoy the poem with every action of flying kite, to make the students understand different action words, and to make the students know different similes are used to compare a kite. So you will come to know about the actions of flying kite, understand different action words, and also understand the literary device used in this poem, that is simile. So these are the objectives. Now let's see the poem. So the poem is The Kite. How bright on the blue is a kite when it's new. With a dive and a dip, it snaps its tail, then soars like a ship with only a sail, as over tides of wind it rides, climbs to the crest of a gust and pulls, then seems to rest as wind falls. So this is the first part of the poem. There are certain difficult words for you. Bright in the first line, its meaning is lovely and shining. Then dive in the third line, dive means to plunge. And then in the same line, there is a word dip. Dip means to bend. Then snaps word is there in the next line. Snaps means making a crackling sound. Then roads word is there. Swords word is there. Its meaning is to rise up. Then another word is there, sail. Sail means canvas to catch wind. Crest is another word there. Crest means top of something. Then gust is there. Gust means strong winds. Now let's see what the poet has told us in this part of the poem. The poet says that a kite looks bright in the blue sky when it is new. The kite makes a dive and wends sideways, and its tail produces a cracking sound or noise. Then suddenly, kite rises high like a ship with a sail cloth. The kite has only one sail of string. It rides over the strong winds and climbs to their top. As a ship moves in the ocean or sea over the strong waves, it pulls forward when the wind is strong. What as wind falls, it also rests for a while. So these are some of the actions of kite when it fly in the blue sky. Sometimes it dive and dip. Sometimes it snaps its tail. Then it soars like a ship on the tides of wind, and sometimes it come down when wind falls. So this was there in this part of the poem. Now let's see the next part. When string goes slack, you wind it back and run until a new breeze blows and its wings fill. And up it goes. How bright on the blue is a kite when it's new. What a residual thing you never will see when it flaps on a string in the top of a tree. So there are certain words which are difficult for you. Goes slack means becomes loose. Wind back means roll it back. Then breeze is there. Breeze means gentle wind. Residue means rough and torn. Then flaps word is there. Flaps means flutters. String means thread. So these were the difficult words. So now let's see what poet has said in this part of the poem. Poet says that when the thread tied to the kite becomes loose, the flyer means the person who is controlling the kite rolls the thread back. Then again the fly runs until the kite is filled with wind and goes up. Under clear blue sky, the new kite shines, but it gets torn badly when it flaps on the treetop. So this was the meaning of this part. Now let's see the next part. So these were the difficult words which you have gone through in this poem. Bright, lovely and shining. Dive means plunge. Dip means bend. Snaps means makes a cracking sound. Soars, rises up. Sail, combust, catch wind. Crest means top. Tides, high waves. Gust, stormy wind. Goes slack, becomes loose. Wind back, roll back. Breeze, gentle wind. Residue means rough and torn. Flaps means flutters. String, thread. So these were difficult words, and I have told you their meanings also. Now let's see the summary of the poem. A new kite looks bright when the sky is clear. The kite takes a plunge, rises high like a ship, rides over the strong winds. It pulls forward, but as the wind fails, it also rests for a while. But as soon as it gets new breeze, it goes higher and higher. But it gets torn badly when it flaps on the tree. So this was the summary of the poem Kite. These are some of the assignments which you have to do. But I will tell you the answers of these questions also. Choose the correct answer. The kite flies. You have four options: in the forest, sky, river, or cloud. So as per your understanding of the poem, you can pick the word, and sky word is used in the poem. Then second, it looks bright in the clear sky when it is old, torn, new, faded. So new word is used in the poem, so you can use new word. Then the poet compares the kite to a word, aeroplane, star, ship. So ship word is used there in the poem, so you can pick up this word. Then next question is, a kite looks like a residual thing when it settles on the tree, goes up, comes down, rests for a while. So A option, that is settles on the tree, is given there in the poem, so you can pick this word. Now let's see the next assignment. The movement of the tailless kite is compared to a sail. This is called a simile. When we compare two objects with the help of these words like and as, it is simile. So suggest some words to compare the following action. He runs like a, she sings like a, he sleeps like a, it flies like a, it shines like. So one word which is suitable for comparison you can use, but I will tell you the answers also. So these are, he runs like a cheetah, then she sings like a cuckoo, he sleeps like a dog, it flies like a kite, It shines like gold. So these can be the word which you can use. You can use your own words also for the comparison. Now let's see the next um, assignment. Now these are some words, and you have to match the rhyming words from the different walls. There are 4 walls and you have to match the word. In the first wall there is tail, and it is rhymed with sail. In the same way you have to uh, match with the other word which is rhyming with the word. So let's see, I will provide you answer of these questions also. Tail means sail. Tail is rhyming with sail. Crest is rhyming with rest. Dew is blue. Black, it is rhyming with slack. Dip, it is rhyming with ship. Tide, ride. So these are the answers. Now let's see the next assignment. List out 5 action words in the poem. Like snaps, one word is given there. So what are the other words which are used in the poem as action words? So I will provide you answers also. So let's see the answers. Dive word is used there, dip word is used, ride word is used, pull word is used also, flap word is also used in the poem. All these are action words which shows an object or something doing. Draw a beautiful kite. Try to make a kite with your friends. So this is assignment for you. You will draw a kite in your notebook and it should be colorful. Then these are some other questions which you have to answer also. What is the kite compared to? When does the kite lose its energy? How does a kite snaps its tail? When does a kite fly high again? Who is the poet of the poem? So these are the questions which you have to answer. But I will also provide you the answers of these questions in the next slide. The kite is compared to a ship. The kite becomes listless when the wind falls. A kite snaps its tail with a dive and a dip. A kite flies high again when a new breeze blows. The poet is Harryman. So these were the answers of the questions of previous slide. Now glossary. Now this is another assignment for you. Complete the words by filling the blanks with suitable letters. So one letter is to be used in these words. Somewhere 2 letters are to be used. So as per your understanding of the poem, you will provide letters here and fill in the blanks. S is there in the beginning, second letter is missing, so N is the next word. I will tell you the answers of the other words. Snaps, N was missing. Bright, I and H was missing. Source, A was missing. String, T and N were missing. Slack, L and C were missing. Residue, G and E were missing. So these are the solutions. Now match the meanings with the words. So you have to match. Dip, what does dip mean? Ride, what does ride means? Flaps, snaps and dive. These are in jumbled order, so let's see. Dip's meaning. Dip means bend. Then ride means flutters. Flaps, sorry, ride means climb. Flaps means flutter. Snaps means makes a sharp sound. Then dive means to plunge. So these are the meaning of these words. Now let's see the next Assignment: write 3 more words starting with bright, as bright is there, and blue, black, big. These are 3 more words which are started with the B letter. Now climb, you have to make 3 words from C, 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 C. Then ship, you have to make more words with starting with S. Poem, as there, and you have to make other 3 words with starting of P. Over. So this is assignment for you. You will do it yourself. Now let's. I think that is all for today. Thank you. Thank you. Have a nice day.